Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to view income trends in Trim. Do you want to see how much your income has changed over time? Well, Trim makes it easy to track your income trends month by month. Here's how to do it. First, open the Trim app and go to your reports or insights section. Then, depending on your version, it may be labeled differently. Next, look for the Income tab. Trim will display your earning history in a simple visual format, often using a line or bar graph. You're going to see how much you've earned each month, helping you spot fluctuations like a raise, a skipped freelance payment, or seasonal income spikes. Tap on a specific month to dive deeper. Trim will show the breakdown of income sources such as regular paychecks, freelance gigs, or one-time payments. This feature is super helpful for freelancers, gig workers, or anyone budgeting with variable income. And don't worry, Trim updates this automatically based on your linked account. Just make sure that your transactions are properly categorized. And that's it. You now know how to view and understand your income trends using Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to generate a spending report in Trim. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.